Let's be honest, if you have ever opened LinkedIn and searched data jobs, you have probably felt lost. Data analyst, data engineer, data scientist. Say what data, but completely different words. Every post says high paying career, massive demand, future proof. But which one's actually right for you? Which one pays paid up? Which one matches your background? Don't worry, the confusion is not your fault. Even companies build these sites. So in this video, we finally clear the fog step by step. By the end, you will know which tool fits your strengths, goals and career paths best. Every modern company runs on data. From Netflix choosing your next role to Amazon predicting what you will buy next. There's an entire system at work. Analysts make sense of what's happening. Engineers build a system that collects and cleans it. Scientists use it to predict what happens next. These roles don't compete, they complete each other. Let's start with data analysts, the storytellers of the data world. They turn messy numbers into insights that help businesses grow. Key skills are Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, and sometimes Python. They clean data sets, build dashboards, and explain trends to decision makers. Typical salary is rupees 6 to 12 LPA in India. High-end product or consulting firms. Analysts answer questions like, why did our sales drop or which campaign performed best? It's the best role if you love logic, patterns and helping businesses make better decisions. Next comes the data engineer, the builder behind every dashboard. If analysts are the storytellers, engineers are the ones who create the book. They design the data highways, clean, fast and reliable. Skills are Python, SQL, Apache Spark, Airflow, Snowflake, and cloud tools like AWS or GCP. Their job is to build pipelines, manage databases, and make sure data flows smoothly 24/7. Average salary is 20-45 LPA, but top tech firms pay rupees 40 LPA plus. So if you are someone who enjoys building systems and solving big problems, this is where Marriott Short Data Engineering program can change your career. You will master the same start you by companies like Google and Swiggy through live projects, expert mentors, and interview preparation. You won't just learn tools, you will learn to build what powers them. Now meet the data scientist, the one who makes data intelligent. They use machine learning to predict what's next, from prices to customer behavior. Skills are Python, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. Their salary is 12 to 35 LPA and higher than AI-driven companies. Scientists answer questions like who will buy next or how can we automate this. It's perfect for people full of maths, logic, and creativity. But remember, every great data scientist also understands the basics of engineering and analytics. Alright, let's put it all together and see the big picture. On one side, we have data analysts, the storytellers of the data world. Their focus is finding patterns, spotting trends, and explaining why things happen. They work with tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Tableau, turning messy numbers into simple, meaningful stories businesses can act on. Next, the data engineers, the builders behind the scenes. They don't just look at data. They make sure it's clean, fast, and ready when needed. They design the pipelines and systems that move data from one place to another. Imagine them as the architects of data highways. Their toolkit: Python, Spark, Airflow, Snowflake, and cloud tools like AWS or GCP, because their work keeps the whole data ecosystem alive. They earn anywhere from 10 to 25 LPA, sometimes even 40 LPA plus in top companies. And finally, we have data scientists, the innovators. They take the data analysts interpret and engineers prepare and use it to predict the future. They build machine learning models, recommend products, and even help automate business decisions. Their skills include Python, statistics, machine learning, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. And their average salary ranges between 12 to 35 LPA, going much higher in AI-driven organizations. So if we simplify it, analysts explain the past, engineers enable the present, and scientists predict the future. And when they come together, that's when real business transformation happens. Now, let's make it real. Imagine you're working at Swiggy and suddenly your customer engagement drops. The data analyst is the first to notice. They bring into dashboard and say, hey, our repeat orders are down by 8% this week. The data engineer steps in next. They build a new data pipeline to capture user behavior more accurately. Maybe they connect data from the Swiggy app, delivery times, and payment method, ensuring everything flows seamlessly. And finally, the data scientist takes that clean, structured data and builds a prediction model. figuring out which customers are most likely to stop ordering next week, so the marketing team can take action before it happens. That's how the three those analysts, engineers, and scientists work together behind every decision you see. So remember this: no single role wins alone. The analyst gives direction, the engineers give structure, and the scientists give foresight. Together they form the engine that drives every data-powered company in the world.